Hello out there, my name is 𝗵𝗵𝗡𝗶𝗴𝗲𝗇. I'm an instructor at the 𝗂𝗵𝗶 Academy. I have a master's degree in educational technology. Very recently we had a couple of guys over from the Nigerian Defence Academy, NDA in Kaduna.
My name is 𝗵𝗵𝗡𝗶 from the Nigerian Defence Academy, Kaduna. I'm the 𝗂𝗵𝗶, that's second in command drone unit in the academy.
My name is Sani Adamu, 𝗬𝗏𝗏 Drone Squadron, Nigerian Defence Academy.
It was quite interesting. Basically, the training started off by us talking about the different kind of payloads that you can attach to the actual drone. We also talked about obstacle avoidance, emergency procedures, visual line of sight, which is VLOS, and BVLOS. We laid emphasis on the local aviation authority compliance, that's the NCAA in Nigeria.
The essence of coming to this training, we have a planned mission. After we get back to our working place, we have our cadets. Those cadets are really in need of rigorous drone training. There was a time that my director tasked me to get those that will train us on the drone. Unfortunately, I found 𝗂𝗵𝗶 Academy.
Based on my unit out there in the academy, I think it will be of use to any other military body for surveillance and search and rescue missions.
So why is this kind of drone training important for the military? It's very important because you don't want to send soldiers or security forces into the bush or the forest and they run into unexpected things. So it's always better that the military is prepared. That is where the drone comes in. The drone can go up there, do a surveillance of the area, report back to the command post live, and I can assure you that sort of thing can save lives and prevent our military people from getting in harm's way, or at least reduce the fact that they might run into trouble in the forest trying to rescue people.